Just gonna mess my sleeve up.
Oh my God.
There.
Bro, I was saving my F12 for next class.
Anna,
Yeah.
I solved the white cross. What do we do now?
You do F2O.
How?
Okay. So let me solve my white cross.
I just did something totally random. Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
solve my white cross now.
And I still.
Yeah.
Okay, so see right here. I have this one and this one right here. Can you see that?
No, Anna, I know you have to find one of these pieces like this. You need to find like, right?
You need to find pieces like that.
Yeah.
But I have two of them. Which one do I do?
Just do one. Just pick one.
Pick one. Then I'm doing the blue and red one.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm doing the blue and orange one. So I'm gonna take this.
Oh, I just did something random and I already did the yellow side. Bro.
Okay. So I'm gonna take out this corner piece like that, and then now this is in a bad place because the top two colors are matching, and it's supposed to be next to right here. So this is supposed to be right here. So we can do that by having this corner piece like this.
Mine is a bad place. My white color is at the top. So what do I do?
Dude, just like, okay, let me see if I have
I
one.
wish I had a twisty corner.
Okay. So
Here. Neil, do you have one like this?
So we need to.
Yeah?
If the
Then
thing
all
is,
you do is like,
No, not like that.
turn it.
Anna,
I did something random and then I brought them all up. So right here. And then
Oh yeah, if you do, if you like,
no,
Okay.
no, Anna,
Yeah. What?
you need to follow the yellow, the like this.
how do you do that?
so make sure that the corner piece is facing your way. Turn it down, up or whatever, to the side, and then turn it back. And then make sure that you have your white cross. And then also brings your corner piece down to the third layer, which is good.
Yeah, but my corner piece white is not facing to the side, it's facing up.
What do we do?
Exactly. That's what you're supposed to do if it's facing on the yellow side.
Mine's on the
What
third.
am I supposed to do?
Mine's on the third layer right now.
What I did.
What?
So do we?
Just
I didn't even see you correctly.
okay. See this?
Take it to the
And
first
I'm just gonna do this.
I'm getting confused. Can anybody show me how the FQL?
Look, I have one over here. This
I
is
don't see you.
That too.
Show me.
On the white side. Okay, I have one side.
so if you have one on the yellow, then make sure that it's facing towards you like this.
Yeah, it's not facing towards me. It's facing to the yellow.
Do that. Make it face towards you.
How?
Rishabh,
Like I'm on this side and the white piece is on this side.
Rishabh,
So that's what I mean.
Yeah.
hey Rishabh,
Yeah.
Turn it down to the side, whichever side works for
can
you.
you show me how the FQL
And then
looks?
F2O. I'm trying.
and then it brings. Hello?
I can't see it.
Hello?
Guys.
What happened?
How do we solve the F12? Anna's not telling us.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying.
Yeah, nothing.
Yeah, he's not even teaching us. So what do we do?
Okay, so since you guys are listening now, I can talk. Okay, so see these two right here? These two top colors are matching, so I need to put them together like this. So this edge piece needs to go right here. So we can do that by just doing this, but
No,
then
wait.
this corner piece moves.
Red piece, and there's a blue and red piece right beside it. They're both lined up.
That means that you have to like turn the bottom, turn that to the top layer color. Turn your right hand down.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? I don't get it.
Like this.
Okay, so like
I can't
I have something like it. I have two matching colors,
So do
I can't even see the
green and red. I'm gonna turn this to the red side because red is on top, and then I'm gonna apply it out to get it down. And I'll bring it. You
guys only.
इसका white cross करके रखो है ना बेटा अभी देखो ये क्या बता रहा है आपको this white piece is there ये है ना so you have to bring
I'll bring it to the blue side, okay?
So what
So
do you have exactly?
mine is facing to the yellow side. That's what I have.
I told you, turn it right side up.
Right side up.
You look at your.
It's matched up. If I just pull this down, it gets to the thing. But it moves one of my white pieces.
What?
If I pull this down. So if I pull this down, I will get my if I do this, I'll get my layer done.
Yeah, but then you mess up your cross.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, so
Then that means.
okay, wait a second, okay? Okay, so good. This is a good question. So, I have something like that. So when I move this down right here, I get this, but then this cross gets damaged. So I can solve this by putting this above the color that it's supposed to go, like orange over orange, and then I'm gonna turn this like this. Turn this color, which is this, right, like this,
It's lined up. It's lined up. It's a whole line.
like that.
Yeah, I have it.
Okay, good. Then just
Yeah, that line. I don't think it matters.
Wait, hold on.
wait.
How am I supposed to do it right side up?
I don't know. What do you mean right side up? Okay.
Let's see, this is facing to the yellow side, right? So how do I make it turn to the side so that this piece can be matching?
Just find a different one.
Okay.
Okay, Ishwar. Did you understand what I mean? Did you do it?
Oh.
That one also has the white facing up.
See,
Then find a different one.
but get this on. I moved
God.
and got it down.
God.
I didn't think
Are all of yours facing up, Neil?
orange.
So all of them that are on the top are facing up.
The orange is lined up. What do we do now?
It's not. That doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay, one's like this. Look.
So what
These
do we
two.
do?
If it's like that, then like, see, I have something like mine. White side is over here, and I have a corner piece here.
No, like the edge.
Your F12 pair, right, Ishwar?
The edge is on the top of the corner, so.
But I got.
So, are you trying to say like you have a white over here,
Okay.
stuck over here?
Okay, Ishwar. Turn that back, like the F12 pair. Turn it back.
So turn it back like it was before.
Yeah, like on top. Turn the F12 back on top.
No, you want my white piece? See, my white piece is back.
Okay, yeah, good. Okay, so you're gonna turn the F2L pair. You know what the F2L pair is?
No?
The F2L pair is like the thing that you want to solve.
See, this is my pair I want to solve.
Yeah. Okay, good. So do you see the color on top?
Color on top is blue.
Okay, so you're gonna put that F2L pair right above the blue side.
So, like this, so I have to get the F2L pair on the blue side?
Yes, like that, yes. And then you're gonna turn the color that's on the side of the F2L pair.
This?
Yeah, what color is that? Red?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Wait, Anna, is this in the good spot? So like the white, wait, hold on. That's the wrong side. So like, wait, where's my?
Okay, Ishwar.
Oh yeah, so the corner of the white is facing to the side. So that's good. But like the top pieces are not matching with this one and this one.
Yeah, okay,
These
that's
two.
good. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
That's in a good place.
Yeah, that's good, Neil. Okay. So now, let me talk to Ishwar. Okay, so Ishwar, you see the red side? You have to move it
No.
up.
Like, no. What do you mean? Like, get the whole entire blue side up?
The whole entire red side up.
No, what do you mean the whole entire red side up?
So, you see my cube? You see it? Okay. So this is the red side, and I'm gonna turn it towards me like that. I'm gonna turn this cross piece towards me like that. That's how you move it up.
No. No, wait. So I have to make this white piece right there?
No. I'm talking about the red side, the red white piece. No.
Where's the red? Yeah.
Do you see the
The
red
red
side? Do you see the
wait,
red side?
get it. The red white piece is right here. It's a red.
Yeah, but that's the corner piece. Get the edge piece. The red white edge piece.
See,
That's
it's
the
a
red
red.
white blue corner piece, not a red white edge piece.
Oh, red white edge piece.
Yeah,
The
it's
red
in the
white
cross.
edge piece on the cross.
This
Yeah.
is a red edge piece.
Okay, so you're gonna turn that towards the F2L pair.
Where's my F2L papers?
It's above the blue side.
Wait, yeah, I'm going there. It's so. I get this white piece on my blue side.
Yeah.
Okay then. I got it on my blue side like this.
Now, turn the F2L pair on top of the white piece that you just moved.
How? On top.
By turning the yellow side.
What?
By moving the yellow side. You see the yellow side?
Yeah, I see the yellow side.
Do you see where the corner piece is?
This?
Yeah, like that. Yes. Now you turn the white piece. I mean, yeah, yeah, like that. Yeah, good job. That's how you do F2L.
So we need to get them both to the exact same line. Then we need to get.
So can you teach me now?
We need to get the color of the middle piece and the corner piece together, and then we can pull it back.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Neil, what's your question?
So, like this one. So like this one. This one has this corner piece right here
Yeah.
matches with hold on. This edge piece.
Okay. Good. Okay.
So then what do I do after that?
You just do the second step. Do you remember how to do the second step?
Yeah, upside down.
Yeah. You just do that.
So I matched the corner since the green is on the side, so I matched the green with the green center.
Yeah, and then you just have to solve the corner piece.
Okay, yeah, now I get it. You don't need to.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I get it now.
Okay.
But what happens if it's like on the side of each other? Like
Then that's
so,
different. Then that's different. You just have to.
this corner piece is on the side of this edge piece.
That's different. Just solve your corner piece for now. Just solve your F12 pair for now.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I have one. Okay, yeah, thanks.
Okay. Does anybody else need any help? John V, do you need any help? Like, can you do F12? Show me how
Yeah.
you do F12.
Hell yeah! I keep on mute. Don't understand it yet. No, what do I do if this happens?
Just wait.
Okay.
Wait, Anna. So I don't have any more pieces that are like in the correct spot.
Okay.
So like for example, like this white piece is on the top
Yeah.
and it's facing the yellow side and it matches with this edge piece and it's right here.
Okay.
So what do I do then?
Choose a different one.
Well, I think. Wait, let me check. Well, in this one, the corner, see, and then the edge piece is below it.
Okay. Then choose a different one.
I don't think there is more.
I think there is.
Okay, let me check.
Okay, John V, do you understand how to do F12? Can you do it?
Yeah, I learned it last time.
Okay. Can you do it? Like, actually do it on the cube.
Oh, okay, I'll do it.
I don't have any more. The rest of them like have yellow in it.
Oh, my white
Okay.
piece is onto the yellow side.
The rest of them have yellow in it.
Okay, let me see your cube.
So like for example, this corner piece is on the top of this edge piece, and these two match.
Okay.
What do you have to do?
And then what? Okay. So you have to turn the corner piece out of the way, and then you have to get the edge piece out with upside down.
Wait, okay, yeah. So wait. So yeah. So and then I have to do upside down.
Yeah, to get the edge piece out.
Wait, which one do I do side? This way or this way?
It doesn't matter.
Left.
I don't think. It
Okay,
should matter.
so up, side. Wait, no. Hold on. Up,
Can you answer my question, Neil?
down. Wait, let me check. Hold on. Yeah. Now it's good. Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
then you just do the normal stuff.
I know.
Check if the top pieces match, and then put them together.
Okay, yeah. I get it now.
Oh, I have a question.
Okay, yeah, Ishwar, what's your question?
My question is, like, see, all my rest of the white pieces are on the yellow side.
Okay, so then you're really unlucky. So you have to take one white piece.
Yeah.
And then you have to do upside side down.
What is that?
You just do up, and then 2 times, and then down.
Rubik's cube.
Okay, let me see. Okay, see this? I have something like that. See, the white is on the yellow side. That's bad. Okay, so I'm gonna do up, side, down.
Which side?
Okay, yeah. Now I
It
get
doesn't matter
how
which
to
side.
do it.
Do the same thing.
Up.
No, I have a question.
Okay, yeah, Neil, what's your question?
So like, this edge piece is in the correct place,
Yeah.
right? And the corner piece is on the bottom.
Three
Okay.
down. I got all
Just get the corner piece out.
No, it worked. I got all 3 off the white side.
Wait, so do I do upside down?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, Anna.
Yeah.
Now I pick this white side with the blue and orange. But now this orange and blue is stuck with the
Yeah.
opposite.
Okay, so check the colors on top. If they match, then do they match?
No, on top?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah,
The
they
yellow-
don't match, right?
I'm done with F2L.
Oh, good job. Okay. Yeah, Johnny, good. Okay. So Ishwar, if they don't match, then you turn the corner piece down, by hiding it. You have to
Down?
hide the corner piece.
Okay, I hit the corner piece.
Anna, I am very unlucky because like all of them have yellow in it.
It disturbs my white cross.
Okay, yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay.
Anna,
So now,
Anna,
now
all
turn
of them
the.
have yellow in it except for this edge piece.
Okay.
All
Yeah.
of them have yellow in it except for this edge
Okay,
piece.
just wait a second. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So Ishwar, turn the edge piece 2 times. Turn the yellow side 2 times.
Yellow side? 2
Yeah.
times? Which side?
It doesn't matter. They both do the same thing. When
2
you're turning
times?
something 2 times, it doesn't matter which side you do it. Okay.
Now?
Now you fix the cross.
But I didn't fix the cross yet. It's still like this.
Okay, then fix the cross.
Then
Sit.
fix the cross.
Okay, good. Fix it.
Yeah, there.
Okay. Find your corner piece.
My corner piece? Where are you? Yeah, it didn't fix anything.
It didn't fix anything? Then you did something wrong. So, let's see. Okay, so turn the corner piece down. I want to see how you're going to turn the corner piece down. You have to turn only the corner piece down, not the edge piece. The edge piece shouldn't move.
This shouldn't move?
The edge piece shouldn't move.
This is an edge piece, right?
That's a corner piece. Anything in the corner of the square is a corner piece.
Then I'll move it like this. It won't disturb the white cross.
But it's moving the edge piece. You want to disturb the white cross because you're gonna fix it later. So it doesn't matter if you disturb the white cross or anything. If you're gonna fix it later.
See, I disturbed the white cross. Now it's like this.
Yes, but like the edge piece moved. The edge piece of the F2L pair moved.
Yeah,
You cannot move. What he's trying to say is you cannot move the edge piece of the F2L pair.
You can't move this.
That's the corner piece. You have to move that. You shouldn't move the edge piece.
Yeah, you have look, this is an edge piece. Look, this is an edge piece right here. This one.
An edge piece only has 2 sides. A corner piece had 3.
A corner piece has 3 colors in it, and an edge piece has 2.
Anna, if we don't move that, the white cross won't be disturbed.
Okay. Okay, so just wait a second. I'm gonna try to come up with something like yours. Okay, see this? It's something like that, right? It's where the top colors don't match and they're together like this, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how you move, so what you're doing is this. See, that moves this edge piece right here.
Oh, that
So
piece?
you don't want to do that. You want to do this. So the edge piece stays right here. Only the corner piece moves like that.
Oh, like this? It got there.
Okay, good. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, so now you turn the yellow side 2 times. Anyway.
Then the yellow side 2 times.
And then you solve the white cross again.
I solved it.
Okay, good. Okay, now then you just do the second step.
But it's not even together.
What's not together? Yeah, good. It doesn't have to be together. Remember, like the beginner's method second step?
Yeah.
Yeah, just do that. The corner piece.
Do an orange spot. an orange
I
spot.
can't hear anybody. Are we still doing F2L?
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course we are.
Unfortunately, we're still doing F2L.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay, Anna.
Yeah, Neil.
So like all of my XPs, all of my pieces have yellow in them except for this X piece.
Look at the bottom layer. Look at the bottom layer.
Yeah, the bottom layer has yellow in them. This has yellow.
Okay, do you see the corner piece of there on the bottom layer? That's not solved.
Like
I
this
mean,
one?
it is solved, but like, yeah, that one.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Take that one out using upside down.
But it's making the green F12.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Just take it out.
Okay, so do I just move it up?
Yeah.
Make it upside down?
Yeah. Just use upside down. Get the corner piece out.
But now they're next to each other. Now they're next to each other. So how do I do upside down?
What are next to each other?
Like the corner piece and the X piece are next to each other.
Let me see.
What?
Anna, when are we gonna learn finger tricks?
Look.
You should already
This-
know finger tricks, and most of the people
I know,
can't do
look.
finger tricks because they have
Oh,
Rubik's brand.
Rubik's
I
Cube.
know, look.
Yeah.
So this X piece matches with this corner piece, but they're next to each other. So do I do upside down?
No. Okay. So you're going to hide the corner piece without moving the other piece, and then you're going to
So do I turn? So do I turn the upside like any direction?
no, because that, okay. So let me just wait a second, okay? I'm gonna try to find something like yours.
Wait, Neil, can you show me yours?
See, look. So this is right here, and this.
Oh,
this
that's easy. Okay, Neil, hold that towards you. You know it moves, right? See, I have one like this.
yeah.
Even though I don't have the white cross solved, I have one like this.
Mm-hmm.
So here's what we're gonna do. If you have one like that, first you
I
bring
can't see your cube.
now.
I can.
First you bring this up. Okay, you do an L, and then you do a U, so it's like this piece is facing towards you, and then you bring it down. So you do like this. First L, U, and then back down.
Wait. So I do L. U. Wait. So do I move? Wait. So do I move the right side down or the left side down?
Can I see your cube?
Look. It's like this.
It's like that. So same with mine. First, you're gonna move so you know the side that has like this, the corner piece?
Yeah.
Move that side up,
Okay.
whether it's left or right. You did that?
Yeah, I moved it up.
And then you move the top layer, so like the corner piece is facing towards you, like this piece. So when you do like the top layer like this, the white sticker should be facing up, and like one of the other stickers should be facing towards you.
Oh, so like, okay. And then I moved it down.
You move it down.
I move it to the, so like I did it up and now I moved the upside to the side.
And then you moved it down, correct?
Okay. Hold
And
on.
now you turn the top layer so the corner piece is like right beside that edge. Like so you move the top
now
layer.
the corner piece is facing up.
The corner piece is facing up.
Yeah.
Wait,
And that's happening with another piece.
See, I want
Wait, I messed up my F2L.
an orange piece. And this way is the green and orange piece. So what do I both there? I do the right top green piece.
a different way in inserting an F2 pair?
Anna, do you have F12?
What?
I don't even understand F12. So should I do the second and third at one?
No, look. So like my piece is like this, right? My edge piece is right here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then like and then the corner piece is down here,
Okay, where's your edge piece?
right here.
Okay, so take the corner piece. Take the corner pieces down. Take the corner piece out of the bottom.
You do that by this. So first, you move the corner piece up, and then you move it to the right, and then you move it back down.
Wait, hold on a minute. Wait. So I moved the corner piece up, but that would just make it to the side of the edge piece.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
Okay, I did it. I turned it. Okay. And then what do I do?
Rishabh, how do you do the second step? I don't understand it.
Now it's
Is
like
that Srijan?
next to each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll help Srijan.
Okay.
You can help Ishwar and Neil. Okay, Srijan, can you show me your cube?
I saw.
Hello,
Ishwar,
Srijan.
what do you need?
Oh, see this. Oh,
Srijan. Okay, so you have your cube. Did you solve the white cross? So F2O, it's nothing but it's when you solve the first layer and the second layer at the same time.
Okay.
So you know the beginner's method, right?
Yes.
Now when you do the beginner's method and you're in the second step, you know how you map this up and then you do an algorithm to like get it?
Yeah.
So when you do the algorithm, what you're like basically doing is making an F2O pair like this and then
Okay.
inserting it. So why wait until the first step when you can just do that like right away? So in order to do that, first I want you to look at if there's a corner piece on the top layer that has a white sticker on it.
This one?
Yes. Now what are the other two colors?
It's blue and red.
Now is there an edge piece with the two colors blue and red on the top layer?
No.
There's not. Where is it? Can you look at?
There's none at the top.
Is there like? Can you find where it is?
It's right here.
No, like the edge piece. Like edge pieces only have two stickers. Like for example,
Yeah.
my blue and red edge piece is over here. See, red and blue. So where's
Okay.
yours? Where's yours on the cube?
Blue and red.
Yes.
Mine's over here.
Awesome. Now, look at that corner piece I was talking about again, like with the white
Yeah.
color.
Huh?
Now are the now look from the top and are the colors matching? Like for example, for mine, I'm gonna look from the top and are both of these colors matching? Yes, right?
Yeah.
So we have to bring this corner piece over. This edge piece over here to make an F2O pair.
Okay.
In order to do that, here's what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna look at the corner piece. And we're gonna make the white sticker face to the right or the left. Can you see my cube?
Yes.
We are gonna make the right sticker face to the right or the left. And then we're gonna move the white sticker out of the way. And since my blue corner piece, edge piece, is over here, and it would take 2 turns to move it over here. First, we're gonna move this out of the way, and then we're gonna make 2 U-turns, and then we're gonna move it back in, and we have an F2L pair. And now
Can you make your? I can't see your cube very well.
Okay, how about now?
Yeah, I can see it.
So now, how many moves is it gonna take to get this piece over here? 2, right?
Yes.
So to get this piece over here, we just do this. But when we do that, this piece moves out of the way. So we need this piece to stay where it is and this piece to come here. In order to do that, there are two ways. Number one, you can do this, which is a harder way. Or number two, you can move this out of the way, and then you can do 2U's so it comes over here, and then you can move this back in. So then you have an F2L pair. So can you do that with your pieces?
I didn't understand.
Okay. So can I see your cube? On the top of your cube.
This one, this.
That, and where's the